The kitchen is a vital area in a home, representing health, prosperity, and overall well-being. Here are some Vastu tips for kitchens to ensure harmony and positivity. Location. Ideal direction. The kitchen should ideally be located in the southeast corner of the house, as this is governed by Agni, fire element. If the southeast is not available, the northwest is the second best option. Avoid the kitchen in the northeast or southwest, as it can disrupt positive energy and bring health issues. Placement of stove. Direction of stove. Place the stove in the southeast corner of the kitchen. The person cooking should face east for prosperity and good health. Avoid positioning the stove directly in front of the kitchen entrance. Placing the stove and sink adjacent to each other, as fire, stove, and water, sink elements clash. Placement of sink and water elements. Sink direction. The sink, taps, or any water-related items should be in the northeast corner of the kitchen. Distance between fire and water. Keep a distance between the stove and sink, or place a buffer such as a countertop or a small divider. Placement of storage. Grain and utensil storage. Store grains, pulses, and spices in the southwest or west corner of the kitchen. Keep utensils and cutlery neatly organized. Avoid cluttering the kitchen, as it blocks the free flow of energy. Colors for the kitchen. Recommended colors. Use warm colors like shades of yellow, orange, or light red to represent fire energy. Light green or white are also good options for maintaining balance. Avoid dark colors like black or deep blue, as they create a heavy and negative ambience. Kitchen windows and ventilation. Ventilation. Ensure proper ventilation with an exhaust fan or chimney in the east or northeast direction. Windows. A small window in the east allows fresh energy to enter and purifies the space. Electrical appliances. Placement. Keep electrical appliances like microwaves, ovens, and mixers in the southeast corner. The refrigerator is best placed in the southwest, ensuring it does not block the kitchen's free movement. Avoid placing these appliances in the northeast or directly facing the main cooking area. Dining area. Location. If the dining table is in the kitchen, place it in the northwest or west direction. Arrangement. Ensure the dining area is clean and clutter-free to encourage positive energy during meals. Additional tips. Avoid toilets near the kitchen. Ensure the kitchen is not directly adjacent to or below a toilet or bathroom. Keep the kitchen clean. Regularly clean the stove, countertops, and floors, as cleanliness attracts positivity. Do not keep broken items. Discard broken utensils, chipped plates, or damaged appliances, as they symbolize financial losses.